Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use dual connection on your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. You have to start. Right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and also have an application. And we need to use an application to enable dual connection because by default it's disabled. And we have the second device what do not connect it with this earbuds. So on your first device open SHOKZ application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and you will see the same menu. Right here at the bottom we have multi-point pairing. Click at this line. And firstly we need to activate it. Now you can enter to pairing mode on your earbuds by turn off them and then enter to pairing mode. Or you can just click connect the second device. So open settings on your second device, go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and if you have Android you need to click pair new device at the top if you have this button. Then we can click connect the second device and we see them at the device list. So tap on them and we just connect it. And it reconnect with our phone, but I recommended to check it in the settings. So yeah, we have connection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!